When you look down here, I be boy. But when you look go up, I be girl. I get so many questions to answer.
Nke bezokwu bụ na ihe efu nwanne nwaanyị na-akọ ebe a bụ eziokwu. Ọ na-akọwa na Chineke ekele ya pụta ụwa bụrụ nwoke bụrụ nwaanyị. Ebulu amụ bụrụ ọtụ. O nwere ndị si na-asị na ụdịka ya adịghọ. O nwekwa ndị si na content ka na-ekreti. Mana ife unu ga-aghọta bụ na ife onye na-amaghị jụọ ese. O nwere ndị dị na ọ dị possible. Ikicheki ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodites bụ mmadụ maọbụ anụmanụ bụ amụ bụrụkwa ọtụ. Ọ dị na mmadụ dịkwa na anụmanụ. O nwere ndị amụta n'ụwa a, onwe ndị kepụta n'ụwa a, fe bụla amụ bụla ọtụ. Ị nwekwara ike kpọọ ọfa nwoke, nwekwara kpọọ ọfa nwaanyị. Nke ọ bụla ịkpọrọfa ịdị correct. Some of them nwere ike pụta ọ na-yile efe kwụlụ na dịka ọ na nwanne nwaanyị na-afụ na screen na-asị wee nọrọ na. Ị mara onye na-afụ this girl na ọ bụ na o kiti si ọfụma na zochie kpachie amụ ya akpachi. Na mmadụ enwere ike ịma na obu amụ. Enwere ike ịma na obu amụ. O nwekwa nwoke ga-afụkwa na ọ dịkwa ka nwoke. Ọ ma buo ala dịka nwoke mana obu amụ bụla ọtụ. Ọ dị, ụdịka ya dị, go and make your research. Ịba na-aga ọgwụ jụọ ọgwụ ka ihe bụ hermaphrodites. Ọ dị. So ihe na-amaghị jụọ ese. Ka m pikwa ọtụtụ okwu, kiliba the video.
When you look down here, I be boy. But when you look go up, I be girl. I get so many questions to answer. I know if you answer all the questions one day. Guys, but I'm here to answer this one particular question when we say almost everybody they ask me. Number one question when we say almost everybody they ask me. They ask me whether I be girl or I be boy. Answer to that question. I be girl. I be boy too. So now the two I be. So some people they say, how is that possible? Guys, if you don't know, read about them for Google. Google will tell you. So the other question when I want to answer, we say, so many people for my DMs, now only this question that they ask. Now only this question. So now still the same question. Some go say, since you get a gbola, you also get kpekus joiner. The answer is yes. Why some go still tell me say, okay, since you get the both sides, so why you know they use the kpekus take the knack instead you they use the gbola take the knack? I don't come to answer everybody when they always ask me that particular question. Why are they use the gbola the knack when I know they use the kpekus? Now because of heartbreak. I they use the kpekus before I they use the kpekus, but now I know they use them again. Time when I they use the kpekus, I they date man, I they date guys, but since none of them take advantage of me, I kukuma change to be boy when I be. I find peace, happiness for girl body. I no fit date boy again. Because when some people, some guys, when they come close to me finish, they don't use me finish. The next thing they go cast me. The next thing they not go take me serious. The one when won't take me serious before, if you find out say I get gbola, you not go take me serious again. You go use me. You go deceive me. You go use me. Some say they go even hide camera, video me. Say finally they don't meet girl when get gbola. They go on video me. I date one boy one time. The boy tell me say, anytime when we want to, make with the on camera. I refuse. I'm not agree for the boy. The boy force me. So say he hide. Call video ram when we do everything finish. Now when I don't reach out, he can't send me the video. I can't beg and say make it delete the video. I beg. Make it delete this video. Make it not post them. I beg. Guys, this one I waiting guys they do me. This one I waiting boys they do me. No be say I know they use my kpekus. No be say the kpekus no they active. If they active, but fear of heartbreaking. Fear of say guy go use me anyhow. Now why I choose to dey follow girl. Now why I choose to dey date girl. See me now. I be girl, I be boy. When you look down here, I be boy. But when you look go up, I be girl. So guys, the two when I get, it they very active. No one when no they active. So people say make I go hospital, go check whether make I check the one when they active pass. Whether not the male or not the female. Guys, even without checking, I know for myself say the two they active. I they use the female before. But now I no dey use am again because people wey I dey use am for, they betray me. They use me anyhow. Now why I decide to dey use the male own. I dey use the male own pass the female own. And I'm ready to use the male own for the rest of my life because now the same thing. Now the same feelings when you dey use the male own. So for those of you when be say una dey for this kind condition, for those of you girls when be say shame no let una come outside, but una get gbola. As a girl you get gbola, but shame no let you come outside. Abeg, I don open door for una, make una come outside. Abeg, not just by yourself. Depression is real. I know wetin I pass through before I come outside come talk. Make una come outside, come on shame for face. See me now, they stand boldly, they talk. Before I know if you come outside come talk. Before I know if you tell anybody wetin I dey pass through. I always dey wear BB cloth dey waka. I no fit wear wetin tight my body waka because people go notice. Anywhere I go, if they think notice me. So people they always they notice say it be like say this girl get gbola. And why you say now big trouser now they wear big cloth when they say they cover me reach my knee now they wear so that people no go notice. Some people go tell say why my own no they always they show like the way my own they show. My own they show because of say this space where you they see so it carry two things. You occupy two things, not be only one thing you occupy. So tell me why I no go show. How you would expect this one and my own to do the same position? So guys, that is my answer to your question. Those of you when come my DM because they ask me all these questions. Now the reason why be that I choose to follow girl, I know they follow man. So guys, thank you for watching.